Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to delete responses in Qualtrics. First of all, log into my TC, click the Student, Faculty or Employee Resources tab. In the General Technology Resources section, click TC Zoom. After that, go to Qualtrics Survey. Then click on Data and Analytics tab. After that, check the checkbox in the top left corner to select all responses. Then click the trash can icon and after that click delete. Then check boxes to decrement all quotes for deleted responses and that you are sure you want to delete the responses. Confirm you want to delete the responses and then click delete responses. After that, Qualtrics provides use that the work is in progress. The spinning gear in the top right corner alerts you that the work is still underway. And finally, once the deletion is completed, the responses will disappear. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily delete responses in Qualtrics. Thanks for watching.